Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Tahadri, Program Study Geography of Science. I will explain a little result of my assessment, the title Land Fire in Kalimantan. Background: forest as a gift and mandate from God Almighty, which is bestowed upon the nation of Indonesia, is a wealth that must be grateful, managed and utilized optimally, and preserved because it provides versatile benefit to humanity. Therefore, the forest is controlled by the state and held for the greatest prosperity of the people for present and future generations. Fire in forest can occur if there are three components available: potential fuel, oxygen or air, and ignition, and the five main factors that cause forest fires, namely land cover, rainfall, average temperature, wind speed, and topography. L component of the forest constitute basically can be full for forest fire. The trees that compress the forest constitute the largest part of the forest component that can play a role as fuel, having varying potential and age. The difference in flammability can be caused by difference in types or composition of plant species. Topic 1: Causes of forest fires in the Kalimantan region. The effect of fire on the environment and surrounding nature. 3. Efforts to prevent and tackle forest fires. 4. Government efforts that have been done to prevent and tackle forest fire. 5. Ecosystem affected by forest fires in the region. 6. Conclusion and suggestion. 1. Formulation of the problem. What is the cause of forest fires in Kalimantan and Sumatra? What is the impact of fire on the environment and the environment? How to extinguish the fire? Explain what are the efforts to prevent and combat forest fires. What government efforts have been made to prevent and combat forest fires? What ecosystems have been affected by forest fires in both areas? 2. Purposes: to find out the cause of forest fires in Kalimantan and Sumatra, to find out the impact of fire on the environment and surrounding nature, to find out how to put out fires, to find out the efforts to prevent and overcome forest fires, to find out what government efforts have been made to prevent and combat forest fires, to find out the ecosystem affected by forest fires in both regions. Based on BMKG observation on Friday, recorded hotspot on September 12, 2019, occurred in several areas including 1,865 point in Kalimantan, 412 point in Peninsular Malaysia, and 216 point in Sarawak, Sabah, and 1,231 point in Sumatra. While NASA's satellite monitoring on September 12 to 14, 2019, the point of smoke more and more concrete in Kalimantan. 1. Causes of forest fires in the Kalimantan region. More than 99% of the cause of forest and wildlife fire are caused by human activity. Unintentional forest fires begin in the long summer. The main cause of forest fires in East Kalimantan is due to human activity, and only a small portion is caused by natural events. In the West Kalimantan region, forest fires are caused by instant culture in a fast-paced society. Instant culture once fast-paced files. 2. Impact of fire on the environment and surrounding nature. The thick smoke from forest fires in Kalimantan certainly started it victims. In a short time, the threat turned into reality. Tens of thousands of people have to be hospitalized because they have respiratory tract infection. Thousands have lung disease, and hundreds more have inflammation. Several tens of people fainted, and some asthma sufferers were reported dead. Infections caused by wild beasts includes the killing of wild animals and the destruction of land, both due to fire, smoke, transport, or habitat destruction. Drugs caused can hamper transportation routes through rivers and cause famine in remote areas. The destruction of raw material in the timber industry furniture. Furthermore, this could result in timber companies being forced to close due to lack of raw material in tens of thousands, increasing the number of sufferers of upper respiratory tract infection, ARI, and lung cancer. 3 efforts to prevent and tackle forest fires. 1. Counseling community in fire-prone areas. 2. Socialization of land clearing system with warning. 3. Establishment of self-contained fire brigades in fire-prone forests. 4. Hold attempt and fire fighting equipment. 5. Rehabilitation of fire-affected areas. 6. Training for the community. 7. Early blackouts and detection. 8. Activation of forest fire alert posts. 9. Extinguishing forest fires. 10. Forest fire prevention training for forest ranger and the community. Forest management in Indonesia has been clearly regulated in Minister of Forestry Regulation Number V12 Manhood Li 2009 concerning forest fire control. 1. Empower a number of command posts tasked with tackling forest fires at all levels. 2. Transferring all kinds of resources, both human. 3. Strengthening coordination between interrelated agencies through Pusdal Karhutnas and also in regional level with Pusdal Karhutda level 1 and Satlak Land and Forest Fire. 4. Collaborating with outside forces like other countries in handling forest fire. Potential country is a country that borders us, for example with Malaysia, with East Bomba troops, or also with Australia and even the United States. 4. Government efforts that have been done to prevent and tackle forest fire. Government efforts to prevent fire from returning include 1. Wall residents around the forest not to burn grass or debris. 2. Check local regulation regarding agreement and restriction on prohibition on collection. 3. Perform a minimum combustion activity with a predetermined distance. 4. Do not do burning activity when the weather is windy. 5. Do not smoke when doing work or activity carried out in the forest. 6. Cars, trucks, and machinery must have a steam disposal system when operating near the forest. 5. Ecosystem affected by forest fires in the region. Ecosystem affected by fire in both areas, with the burning of forest causing damage to vegetation. Forest fire will destroy some species and make the balance of nature so that potential species become phased out of control. In addition to burning, various flora forest fires also threaten the survival of a number of animals. 6. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. The main cause of forest fires in Kalimantan is due to human activity, and only a small part is caused by natural events. Natural fire process can occur due to lightning strikes, collision of rock slides, coal silt, and stake of sand. Impact caused by wildfires include spreading carbon dioxide gas emission into the atmosphere, the killing of wild animals, and the destruction of land both due to fire, causing flooding for several weeks during the rainy season and drought during the dry season. Drought caused the obstruction of transportation routes through the river and cause hunger in remote areas. Suggestion. Thus the paper that I made as a normal human being are realized in the making of this paper there are still many mistakes and shortcomings. For that constructive criticism and suggestion, I hope for the progression of this paper. Hopefully this paper can be possible for us all. Amin. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.